Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Vasodilators classification. So first we have arteriolar dilators. Dilators include drugs like hydralazine, minoxidil. Then we have diazoxide, calcium channel blockers, phenol dipan are the drugs which are arteriolar vasodilators. Then we have venous vasodilators. Venous vasodilators mainly include nitrates. Then we have combined vasodilators. Combined vasodilators are angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitors or angiotensin receptor blockers. Then we have nitroprusside is a combined dilator, and alpha 1 blocker is also a combined vasodilators.
thank you and thank you for watching.